We are live.
Hello, everyone. I'm Arpita Garud
Hello.
from Nashville with Arijit Basu. We are hosting this show as every Saturday, and we are welcoming you on this show. And uh, it's our luck, it's our fortune that today we are doing this show on the very auspicious day. So wishing you all very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And with this festival, I pray to God for your happiness and prosperity. So welcome you all to my friends in India and across the globe. So we are today starting this show with two of our very, very fantastic guests, uh, Dheeraj Khandelwal and Sandeepa. So first, I'll introduce Dheeraj Khandelwal. As you have seen the poster of the show, but I would like to tell you more about him. So I would show you some of his work with the introduction so you'll get to know how big artist he is. So Dheeraj Khandelwal is a realistic and semi-realistic artist. His compositions can range from the use of light and shadow to create the illusion of light from a specific source shining on the figures and objects in the painting to true petroleism using technique of fine shading mean to produce a soft transition between colors and tones in order to achieve a more believable image. So I would like to you know go through the slides, and I would like you to go through and see the slides, see his work. So Arijit, can we go?
Hello. Good morning, viewers from US. Myself, Arijit Basu. Thank you, Arpita. We are still having some problem in getting the paintings. I will get it up. But before that, thank you. Uh, Thank you, Dheeraj, for coming to our show, and Sandeepa for coming to our show and for accepting Arpita's request to join with us today. And it's our pleasure to host you this event. So before I would like to present your pictures, I would like to, as now that Arpita already introduced Dheeraj, I'd like to introduce our other guest, Sandeepa. Sandeepa comes from a musical family where her mom is a singer. She got a classical training from disciple of Srimati Girija Devi. This young beauty started her career with the most popular reality show, India Season 2, where she received rare reviews from the judges Sanu Nigam, Anu Malik, and Farah Khan. But she could not, she had to come back from top 20 because of some personal reasons. Other than the music, she completed a schooling and master degree in computer science. So she balanced it with both computer science, and then worked in an MNC as a software developer for a few years, along with the singing. And she has playback in many Bengali, Marathi, and Hindi films. She has sung for Bengali movies Once Upon a Time in Kolkata, directed by Satirupa Sanna, Nimki, Fulki, directed by Raj Chakraborty, Mismatch Hoichoi series. So, first of all, I'd like to have Dhiriji on screen. Uh, Unmute your microphone, please. You have to unmute, yeah. Uh, yeah, I'll welcome you to the show. If you have,
Thank you.
yeah. Okay. And here we have our guest, Sandeepa.
Hello.
Hi, Sandeepa. Thank you for coming to our show.
Hello.
Any message for our viewers?
Thank you so much for calling. Thank you so much for inviting.
Thank you. And Sandeepa, I'd like to have you start with
Yeah.
singing.
Okay, sure.
Please.
Okay, so I'll sing
Yeah.
one of one of my songs only.
Yeah. Sure.
Suna. I'll just sing few lines of that song. Hmm. जाए ना जाए ना तन्हाइयाँ हाय तन्हाइयाँ जाए ना जाए ना तन्हाइयाँ हाय तन्हाइयाँ रात बीत जाए सुन रे सावरिया कैसी जुदाई तड़पाए अगन अगन लग जाए हाय दिल पे अगन लग जाए अगन लगी लगी अगन लगी तन्हाई सही जाए ना अगन लगी लगी अगन लगी ये दूरी सही जाए ना अगन लगी अगन लगी तन्हाई सही जाए ना अगन लगी अगन लगी ये दूरी सही जाए ना जाए ना तन्हाइयाँ हाय तन्हाइयाँ जाए ना जाए ना तन्हाइयाँ हाय तन्हाइयाँ थैंक यू
Thank you so much, Sandeepa. It was excellent, and you have
थैंक यू
such a voice, and it's a wonderful beginning to this session with you both. And before I go to Dhiraji, I would like to ask like a few things about you when I have started. How did this journey for Sandeepa as a singer started?
professionally
Yeah. How has been your journey?
yeah profession basically, I would like to say, as you already said with a beautiful introduction, thank you so much for that. I belong to a very musical family, and my mom is a singer, and I have my uncle. I've seen them from a very early age, and my mom has been making me listen to a lot of variety of songs, pure classical music, and also since childhood, I had the habit of listening to good quality music. So when I have learned from a really wonderful person, Mitali Singh, who's the direct disciple of Girija Devi, and I'm also a student of Indrani Sen, who's a celebrity in Calcutta. So these people have a huge influence in my life, including my mom. They have guided me so well, and they have pushed me to take part in certain reality shows, and that's how I ended up giving auditions in the reality show Indian Idol, and there I got the opportunity to like sing various kinds of songs, a lot of some classical songs, some classical numbers, some Bollywood numbers, and there people liked my singing a lot. So once I came out of Indian Idol 2, I started getting a few calls from certain some composers to sing for some movies or to sing for some serials or jingles, advertisements. I started doing shows. So that was, I guess, the start of my career as a singer. So yeah, you can tell that way.
So many things to know from you, and before that, I would like to have Arpita. You have anything for her to ask, or
Yes, of course. So one thing which, while the introduction came in my mind, and probably everyone is thinking about that. So I would like to ask you,
Yeah.
Sandeepa, you are a computer science graduate and worked in MNC as a software developer. So, and then to this industry. So, how did you balance both at the same time?
No, I would like to say that like I have done my schooling and college parallelly doing music. So it was never a sudden challenge for me because I think my brain was programmed that way since childhood because I
Wow.
was balancing both. So yeah, and I was a good student also, and I did my
That's
masters
great.
in computer. Yeah, so I did my masters in computer science. So I think, and I was good in music also when where I used to go and I used to learn. So it was something since childhood I had a habit of. So when I worked in a company and I was doing music, it was not a challenge in a way like performing the music or something like that. It was not a challenge that way, but definitely time was a huge factor for me because as you know MNCs take the
Yes.
80% time of your life. Yeah. So the time was a huge factor. There was something where I faced a lot of challenge to like doing concerts and doing the office work at the same day, in fact. So it happened a lot of times, like I used to have some television show or I used to have some concerts on the same day, like on the weekdays. But I would rather say my colleagues and my managers were very supportive in that way, and they they helped me a lot. And
That's a
and
great
to
thing.
leave the
Actually,
office early. Yeah, and
that
yeah,
support
you need
should be
that
there.
support. That support is
Yeah,
very much needed, and I received a lot of support from all of them, so I could manage to do both. Yeah, that way
great. And also, you were having a kind of musical environment at your home,
at
so
my
it
home.
was easy.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it was
that's
easy for
great.
me.
When
Yeah.
you have a musical, when you have a musical atmosphere at home, so you must be having the music thing going on all the time at your home, right? How is it?
Yeah, all the time.
It-
I think
It's like
even I used to be
24/7.
playing.
Uh-huh. No, you carry on.
Yeah, yeah, I mean, I would say that at home though it's okay to play music all the time. Certain times I used to be so, I mean, बोलते हैं ना, like खो जाते हैं music में. So like maybe sometimes doing my office work I used to sing loudly in office. Those things happened with me, and my
So
colleagues
when
were
it
so
comes
much
to
used to all
Sandeep,
those
how
things.
can we let go without asking you to sing one more before we go to Dheeraj ji? Uh, one more tune.
Okay, okay. What do I sing? Um, okay, just because we had Independence Day few days back, so I would sing something. Hmm. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Such a lovely voice you have, and it is such a
Thank you
wonderful
It
so
was
song.
much.
fantastic.
Thank
Fantastic,
you
isn't
so
it,
much.
Arpita?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. We will come back to you again because today is Ganesh Chaturthi, and I'll not let you go
Yeah.
without singing a song about Ganesha. But before that, we have a distinguished guest today whose like paintbrush creates wonders. And I was about to show a slide of him about his artwork, but there are some technical difficulties going on, but I'm still playing with it in between the shows. So I'll ask Arpita to start talking to him before I have it set down. Hello, Dheerajji. Here you go.
Hello. Yeah.
Arpita.
Yes. So, Dheeraj, I would like to ask you, you are a famous painter. You're the Dheeraj Khandelwal, a famous, name as a painter. So, how did your love for painting started?
Arpita, first of all, I thanks to you, to Arijit and Sandeepa. Your voice is amazing, no doubt
Thank you
about
so
it.
much.
My love for painting actually started at a very early age of mine. So definitely, I have no idea that I was at that time in love with it or not, because
Okay.
at the age of 3, I started sketching Amitabh Bachchan at that time.
Wow.
So later on, I came to know about it from my mother and my sister, as my sister is 11-year old than me. So they later told me that I started sketching Amitabh Bachchan after seeing him in a particular magazine, and this is a mystery to me till date. Why I picked up him and why I picked up that particular magazine at that time, and I started sketching. So this was a big way back when I am doing this particular thing, and after that I'm doing sketching. Uh, all the places. Like there was a sketch on my notebooks. There was a sketch on everything which I like on walls, like on sofa set. I'm doing sketching all the time at that time. So this is how the things started.
Wow. So, when we look at different world-renowned painters and their work, so whose work influenced you the most?
Uh, a lot of painters are there. A lot of as when I growing up at that time, I came across to a lot of renowned name
International
as
painters भी थे और कुछ Indian painters.
yeah, definitely. Like MF Hussain is MF Hussain Saab is there. The Vinci is there. As I came, but in my initial time, ऐसा कोई नहीं था कि मतलब लाइक जिसको देखकर बहुत ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हुआ या मतलब लाइक आई केम टू नो अबाउट इट के नहीं मतलब लाइक कुछ इन्फ्लुएंशियल चीज मेरे साथ में हो रही है ऐसा नहीं था but later on when I was around 20 21 then
Hmm.
I came to know about all these painters and I definitely they put a lot of marks on my mind and my work definitely.
Okay. अभी तक सबसे ज्यादा satisfying moment as an artist क्या रहा है इस करियर में?
A lot of movements are there. मतलब like it's very difficult to describe all the movements because अब इतनी सारी पेंटिंग्स करते हैं अभी I have around 150 plus paintings with me. So
I'm sure.
जो आप जिन पेंटिंग्स को जब भी कंप्लीट करते हो तो that was a special moment every time definitely and in between in packets lot of things arrive जो आपको bliss पे रखती है आपको happiness देती है as I made a painting of yours and your mom came to that particular exhibition and she had a picture with that particular thing so
Yes.
a lot of things are there a lot of moments are there. definitely.
Great. So, also my next question is, you know, just a moment. So yeah, you know, I would like to ask you, do you think becoming a painter, you need to have inborn God-gifted talent, or it can be achieved through learning या फिर कुछ training से हम लोग painter बन सकते हैं या अंदर से ये God-gifted ही होता है?
Definitely, if you ask me, in my case, it is very difficult to give you the answer of this because I'm this thing is inborn into me. So I can't define this particular thing कि मतलब like ये कैसे आई, क्यों आई, and why this is to me. बट हाँ डेफिनेटली आई डिडंट इग्नोर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. इसको कोई भी सीख सकता है एंड इट टोटली डिपेंड ऑन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन टू पर्सन ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हाउ ही इज गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. I think all of you are unmute.
Arijit, would you like to say something about his paintings now that we can watch?
Yes, now that I have set it up, so I want to Dheeraj ji say about his painting when I put up the paintings on the screen. Okay, how about that? Unmute,
Wow.
unmute yourself, Arpita, unmute.
This is
Please.
beautiful. Is this watercolor or oil
I would
painting?
like to go from the beginning so that Dheeraj ji can explain like all the paintings from the beginning. In short, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Dheeraj.
Just a
Should I
second.
start from this?
Just a second, please. Okay, just a
The
second.
first one?
I'm trying to get the set. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Start from the
So
first one.
this is the first one.
This is the first one.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, Dheeraj.
This is a particular painting which I had given the title of Guardian. Uh, yeah, there is a deer, there is a lady, and there is a nature. मतलब like in the background there was yeah. So
I'm going to the next one. Say a few things about this one.
this is a particular painting. Frozen title is there, and this is special to me because a lot of realistic work is there. And as you are moving to the background of this particular painting, everything is very diffused. Backwater, other branches, and a lot of
ये तो
branches far
I
away.
am just wondering, like ये देख के नहीं लग रहा है कि ये पेंटिंग है, हमें तो लग रहा है कि ये सामने बैठे हुए हैं.
अभी
Oh,
अरिजीत अभी
amazing!
अभी इनकी और पेंटिंग्स देखिए आप. You will wonder,
Oh
on every
wow!
painting.
See this one too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a
And this
lot.
is you, Arpita.
Yeah, this is Arpita's painting.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my
This is
God, this is
wonderful.
so cool. Awesome, awesome.
The shadow, everything. These all
Oh
look
my God,
like
this looks like all real. I can't even
This is very
distinguish between.
realistic.
Very realistic. Thank you, Dheeraj ji. Thank you so much for providing us with all these pictures. And I'm
मतलब now the things are going over to me. मतलब like you have to stop now and we can talk now.
yeah, because you know what? We have been seeing all other pictures which you have sent me. There are so many pictures. Sandeepa and Arpita, if I'll share the pictures after this program, you'll be surprised and amazed. There was one picture in a like a truck, right, with all of the or a jeep, all of them sitting. It seems
Ah,
so realistic and awesome.
that
Anyways,
was,
let's continue with the program. We have
I've
limited
been
time.
following Dheeraj around. It's been around 2 years on Instagram, and yeah, I mean, I am really amazed with his work.
thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Dheeraj.
a lot.
Thank you for providing us with all these pictures. And we have limited time today, so we have to quickly go over a few of the moments of the questions with you. Arpita, you carry on.
Yeah. I'll just, let Dheeraj tell about his paintings. A few words.
The paintings which are displayed, or all the paintings, like,
Yeah, which were there in the slides.
uh, they all are very close to me, as I was very much into faces and posture. As you know, I had mentioned this particular thing when you visited my studio. Uh, Faces are very near to me, as I always look upon the faces. Lot of expressions are there, lot of stories are there, lot of hidden things are there when you saw a particular face. So, and some postures are there. Actually, for me, the definition of beauty is some particular posture. When you saw somebody sitting in a different style or in a different setup, you always get amazed by them. So this is the very near subject to me, and I'm very attached to this subject, faces and postures. So all of my paintings are related with faces and postures, and definitely they are with women's, but women are predicted in and depicted in a very different manner in all my paintings. They are sometimes they are related with the nature, sometimes they are related with the chaos which is going on in our society, or specific places, specific designation they are not getting in the society, what they deserve. As I always find that women's, there is no competition with the women, because women are very ahead from us. There is no point doing competition with them. So that is.
That's true. That's really true. I and Sandeep agree with that.
I think
We
Arijit
are happy
will,
to listen to that.
Arijit will agree with me.
Oh yeah, yeah, they are. Of course, they are.
So,
So,
Dheeraj, did you ever consider performing live painting shows with any musician, with the beats of the string and rhythm, and then magic your brush? It it can do wonders in short time, right? So, have you ever considered this kind of shows?
Definitely, as an artist, I love listening music. I love listening a lot of beats, and a lot of things came into my mind when I listened to the music. I was planning earlier, even I'm in talks with a lot of musicians and a lot of guitarists, those who are very young to me, and we are planning something. But as I am into realistic work, and in realistic work I used to do oil painting. So there are certain restrictions for this live kind of thing, because it is very difficult to make oil paintings on the spot. You have to use acrylic colors for that, because acrylic colors dry instantly, and I'm not very much into acrylic colors. But still, like for the display in the background and some particular play in front, we are planning to do something fusion kind of thing. So let's see how it will work.
uh,
Okay.
Dheerajji, now that I find, like while I was going through your pictures and I see there are two different types of techniques you mainly focus on. I'm pronouncing it. I don't know will it be correct or not. Chiaro, Scuro, and Fumato, right? Fumato or Fumato?
Sumato is there, and chiaroscuro is there.
Okay, so what are the basic difference between these two?
Actually, chiaro is more related with the light and shadow.
Uh-huh.
As if you see my paintings, one of my painting in which the female is wearing that green attire, and there was a certain position in which, in a certain posture, she was sitting, and the light is coming from a different source. So there was a play in that particular painting which is related with the light and shadow. So that light and shadow is generally defined by this chiaroscuro word. Later I came to know about it. Few of my friends, one Russian painter is there. He gave me this particular details. Your painting consists this kind of things. And Sumato is a different technique in which there is no sharp lines in paintings. As you see, all my paintings, when you have to differentiate a lot of things in the paintings, there is no sharp lines. Like if there is hand, if there is body, everything is getting merged with background or sideways things. There is no sharp line between that. As generally you see, as if you observe, at the moment we have videos of all of us, there is no sharp line. There is not like this sharp line which is there with the background. So Sumato is something like that. And Leonardo da Vinci is a particular painter who had used both the techniques in all of his paintings.
That's so nice information we are getting. हम लोग को तो पता भी नहीं था कैसे होता है. I am not. I would like to view the pictures and the paintings and just get mesmerized, but not now that learning more detail about the art, the differences between the art from you and while I was reading about you. So it's really nice information. Now we are again going back to Sandeepa. Sandeepa, now that Sandeepa has gone off again, I think I will continue with Dheeraj. Sandeepa comes back. So, Dheeraj, about like how the art helps in the well-being of an individual, and particularly इस टाइम में हम लोग जो पास कर रहे हैं पैंडेमिक के समय पे कैसे आर्ट हेल्प करेगा.
If you ask me, to this quarantine time is Sandeepa is there.
No,
If
you
we can,
continue. I'll take. We will take with Sandeep.
okay. Should I go with that?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Please, Dheeraj.
Okay. For me, this particular quarantine time is doesn't affect me at all because uh, मैं काफी लंबे टाइम से एज आई एम डूइंग पेंटिंग्स, तो मैं आइसोलेशन के अंदर ही काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस महसूस नहीं हुआ नॉर्मल लाइफ और दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन को लेकर. या बट इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम इन सेंस ऑफ our exhibitions, as all my exhibitions get postponed for particular time being, and that was a little bit dent in whatever you are planning for the future and the future proceedings. So definitely that thing affect me. Otherwise, uh, uh, as a human being, definitely paintings heals a lot, as I can say that. And this is related with any craft,
I
as
would, I would say, I would say कि any art form would
right,
help. Yeah.
right, definitely, definitely. As Sandeepa is in music, so music definitely gives her a different kind of dimension in life.
You
So,
have to unmute. Yeah.
yeah, so yeah, we are going to ask a next question to Sandeepa. So is Sandeepa there?
Yeah,
Yeah, she
yeah, yeah,
is.
Okay.
yeah. I was getting calls. I'm really sorry. I was going out of this
Oh, oh,
hotel
oh.
thing, and I every time I have to come back.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you are an upcoming rising star, making a mark in the music industry. You did play back in Hindi, Bengali, and Marathi movies. How has been the
Yeah.
journey so far for you? Can you just share a few things?
Like as you all know that I was in a company. I was working in a company. I was doing my music as well professionally. I was doing concerts. I was doing playbacks, and I was doing few independent work also. So I continued my company for a few years, and then I started getting some calls from Mumbai. So I left my job, and then I shifted to Mumbai, and I started doing some recordings in Mumbai. And this Netflix Firebrand had been the first studio experience in Mumbai. I got a call from Rohit Kulkarni sir, and I didn't know about what I was going to sing exactly. So I was there in the studio. There was a director of the film, there was a producer of the film, and I was getting introduced with them, but I didn't know what's going to happen. And then I was giving a song of Shan sir or Rekha Bharadwaj ji का गाया हुआ एक गाना, एंड वो सुन के सर ने मुझे एकदम बोल
ये
दिया
हमें
कि यू
सुनना है।
लिसन, कैन यू
संदीप
हियर
भाई,
मी?
ये हमें सुनना है।
बिल्कुल
या
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ये हमें सुनना है ये गाना।
No, this is I'll tell you what happened.
Okay.
So this what happened is like there was a song which was sung by Rekha ji and Shan sir. That song was actually there in the film, and Rohit sir wanted to experiment with my voice in that film. So he actually added a reprised version of that song in that song. So he just told me that listen to the song and do certain variations of it, whatever you think. And he didn't direct anything about the song. He didn't give me any brief, nothing. So I was given like 15 to 20 minutes to listen to his composition, and whatever went in my mind, it was like an alap kind of thing. So
So
I
that
just
must be
sang.
a great experience for you to,
Yeah,
experiment.
that's what. Yeah, actually, that's what. It was entirely on me, and he wanted me to experiment entirely on the song. And I've sung whatever I had in my mind, and I did it. And then everyone was very happy about the thing that I did. And they said, "Ki, this is what we wanted." Although that was
That's
not a
great.
song, that was not a proper song, that was a part in that song. So it was a collaboration with Shansar and Rekha Bhadwaji. So that was a huge experience for me. And then later on, I got to know that was big, and that was a film being produced by Priyanka Chopra ji and her mom, Madhu Chopra ji. And that film is there in Netflix. So yes, that was the first experience in Mumbai, and that was huge for me. So I had a very good experience recording that, and that after then I started getting few calls from some other person, and like what happened is like Rohit sir referred me to some other composer, and that's how it went on. So people got to know me in Mumbai, and they kept on calling me for auditions. I sang there, and people liked, and they kept on calling me for recordings. That's how it happened.
So did you find any difficulty in singing in Marathi, since Hindi and Bengali are your languages? Um, but Marathi is different, right?
Difficulty, yeah, it's difficult. It's different in the term. There are few phonetics that you need to produce. So those things we definitely get some person to guide with the language. So while I was singing, they guided me with the language. so exact pronunciation, we always have a supervisor for the pronunciation. So that was not very difficult for me because I go by the sound of the word. So whatever it is, whatever language is it is, for singers it's always like a sound. So I just tried to copy the sound and say it. Although I didn't know the meaning, I didn't know the meaning of the words at that time. So I had to just copy the sound and produce it that way.
So Arijit, you wanted Sandeepa to sing that song?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
no.
So yeah. Okay. So although
Any song which Sandeepa is like comfortable with. I'm not asking any
yeah. So
particular song.
no. Yeah. Okay. I'll sing that Marathi wala thoda sa mukha
So मराठी
mukha
वाला
nahi
भी
निकल
गाओ
पाएगा.
और ये बंगाली
मराठी
वाला
वाला ही गा रही हूँ.
गाओ. हाँ.
So Marathi wala, yeah, I remember the lyrics. तड़क 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 तड़का तड़क तड़क तड़का उड़े जवानीचा बडका तड़क 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 तड़का तड़क तड़क तड़का उडे जवानीचा बडका ढोल वाजता आवाज डीजेचा धडका ढोल ताश वाजवा डीजेचा धडका तड़क 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 तड़का तड़क तड़क तड़का उडे जवानीचा बडका. It was something like that.
That's
But I'm
just
sure you all got the
the
meaning
foot
of the
tapping
song.
numbers, right?
This was easy, right?
Yeah,
I
I mean,
mean,
gradually there were difficult words. Yeah,
What I mean actually?
it's, some words.
What does that mean?
Sorry,
What does that mean? What the lyrics mean?
it's an item number. It's an item number. It's
Right.
as the
It's an
words
item
say,
number. It's a
tadak tadak
foot
tadak, like
tapping
the
number.
tadak tadka on the like for
yeah, that's
a
a
girl
kind of
was
Hindi word
dancing.
also, tadka.
Hindi words, yeah, yeah, tadka and Jawanitsa bhadka. It's all Hindi words. We all understand from the words.
Uh,
So these words
Sandeepa,
are
we
very
have
That's what I
common
said.
with the
Sandeepa,
Hindi.
we have
So
so many viewers and also Bengali viewers. We would like to have a Bengali song from you.
Bengali song. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, 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 okay. Can I sing a folk number?
Absolutely. Very nice. খুবই ভালো হয়.
Okay. তোরে রঙ দিল কি সোনা দিল তুই পর করে দেখলি না গুরুত্বরে কি ধন দিল চিনলি না মনা তোরে রং দিল কি সোনা দিল তুই পর করে দেখলি না গুরুত্বরে কি ধন দিল চিনলি না মনা তোরে রং দিল কি সোনা দিল গুরু দিল খাঁটি সোনা রং বলে তোর জ্ঞান হইল না ওরে দিন কানা গুরু দিল খাঁটি সোনা রং বলে তোর জ্ঞান হইল না ওরে দিন কানা उपासना विनिकित মিলবে রে রূপাসনা গুরুতরে কি ধন দিল চিনবি না মনে তোরে রং দিল কি সোনা দিল পরতরে দেখলি না গুরুত্বরে কি ধন দিল চিনলি না মনে গুরুত্বরে কি ধন দিল চিনলি না মনে
Fascinating, awesome.
Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
Beautiful. With the feeling I was having, and thank you so much,
Thank you
Sandeepa, for
so
this
much.
excellent.
Thank you.
And
My pleasure.
today we have a very shortage of time because we will be having soon starting one more show from Bangladesh. So quickly, I'd like to ask you both, like, what are Sandeepa your project plans in the upcoming future, and what would be your message to the upcoming rising stars, and particularly during this time of crisis they're going through, and what would be your message to them? These two questions, and Dhiraji,
Okay.
same questions to you. So yes, I think Dhiraji, you continue. Sandeepa has gone off again.
Okay. Can you just again define me what is the question like?
The question, like, what you have any upcoming project or exhibitions, or how you are doing all this right now in this current situation, and what would be your message to the upcoming rising talents who aspire to become an artist, a painter, and keeping focus, and they can keep calm, maintain their like keep doing more work, so and during this time.
Right. Right. Okay. Uh, Actually, Sandeepa is there. Again, I will prefer that she will answer first.
Yeah, okay, so I'm really sorry. I was getting a call again. Yeah, yeah, my upcoming plans, like as I've told, I also do independent singles. I'm working on some independent singles. Some fresh new songs are coming up. So we have already done them, and recently we have released one song from Pechan Music, and from my channel also, my YouTube channel also. So in next 2 months, some new songs will be released. I cannot talk about the film numbers because I don't know about the release date, and till that is finalized, I cannot talk about all those projects. So I can just talk about my projects, well, I mean, which I'm working on. So this few singles, independent projects are coming up very soon. And yes, for the upcoming artists, I would rather say that this is a very good time where you can spend with yourself, you can upgrade yourself, and you can work on yourself. I felt I got 4 months for myself, so which we generally don't get when it's like a normal busy schedule. We hardly get time for riyaz, we hardly get time to take care of ourselves. So I would rather say utilize this time and learn new instruments, learn some new genre of music, listen to new genre of music, listen to some different artists. Like all over the world there are so many kinds of genre of music and so in different artists. We can listen to these songs, we can listen to this music, and definitely create your own music. We should be creating new content, not just the covers of the existing songs. We should be creating new contents, new lyrics, new music that shows what musician you are, that shows our musicality. So I would rather suggest anyone who's pursuing music right now, they should experiment on their new music, new lyrics, and they should come up with new songs. And digital platform is a wonderful platform. It's open to all. Anyone who likes your music will listen to it. They can directly interact with you. They can directly suggest you whether they, anything they want, and they can tell you, they can give you the direct feedback. They liked it, they didn't like it, so you know what to do exactly. So it has become much more easier these days. So we get the direct feedback from people, we get a lot of love from people when the work is good. So definitely it's a wonderful platform. Everyone should utilize it properly during this time. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much, Sandeepa.
Yeah.
Dheerajji, your
Yeah, actually, from my side, the things are not planned actually, because I never planned anything for the future. I take it as it comes, because there is no planning. If Because whenever I plan something, my work get haphazard very drastically. So no plans. Yeah, definitely. I am looking forward for exhibitions for this particular time will get over as soon as possible, because I want to showcase my work. Every artist want to do that. And apart from that, my exhibitions consist a lot of things, from appreciation, from part of monetary things, as I was very fascinated by small things, as whenever I see somebody is getting into my exhibition, and they are just seeing my painting and they get connected with my work, and they feel delighted when they connected with the work, and they come up with a lot of queries and lot of questions, and they ask very different questions to me. And these are some things, some points which keep me going. So nothing planned as such. And for the youngsters, I definitely want to give a message to them that whatever the craft is, as Sandeepa is doing something related, exceptionally related with the singing thing, and few are doing photography, and a lot of crafts are there, different crafts are there. So you make a place in the world. You make yourself recognized, and everything what you are looking for, money, fame, and everything. But in a single day, do a little bit for the society, for the humankind, for everybody. So you will get that love and affection. Wealth is there, but social wealth is something very different. That is very difficult to achieve. You can achieve wealth like anything, but social wealth is a very
yes,
different thing. So
that's a treasure of a
I
lifetime.
personally,
Uh,
so that was
yeah.
the
I think that's a treasure of a lifetime. Doing something back, giving back to the community is what we all should look forward to. And in spite of all the whatever the busy schedule we have, still, I think Arpita wants to say something, and we are almost there in the final stages of our program. We hate to end the program, but we have to because we have a back-to-back program. But thank you both for accepting Arpita's request and joining our shows. And it's a privilege and honor to have you both with us today. And
Same here,
I'd
same
like
here.
Arpita to say something. And
Yeah, the same thing I wanted to say you both. Dheeraj ji, thank you so much for accepting my request to come on the show. And Sandeepa, thank you so much for replying me back and accepting my request to come and
My
to
pleasure.
delight us with the music and beautiful voice of yours. So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
And don't let her go before she sings the Ganesha song.
Of course.
I just want to say something. I just want to say something before
Yes,
she do the
yes.
song. Sandeepa, next time you definitely
Yeah,
see the message of mine, and if we are coming to yes,
You mentioned Sangeeta.
I
and
think this is a
yeah, if we are
complaint.
coming with the if we are
Yeah, now
coming with a lot
I'll
of
check all your
sessions,
messages. I'll check all your messages now after the session. I'll just go. First thing I'll do, I'll just check your messages.
right, right. And I will definitely look
Definitely.
upon to Abhijit and Arpita. Okay, you will invite us in our other session, and there are a lot of questions from my side and Sandeepa's side, and we will do the questionnaires for you, as people are doing something very different and very good, and I want to know that what exactly going in your mind. And Arijit, your T-shirt is looking bad. Like in all your videos, I have never seen you in this kind of attire.
Oh, because I was like trying to get you all together, so I did not find time to change it. So, anyways, and I was thinking like
Over to
now that I
Sandeepa.
have all the artists with me, so I might change a bit as well.
Yeah, it's weekend. It's weekend for us, right?
Yes, yes. So, thank
Yeah.
you once again. Thank you so much, Sandeepa. Your turn, and we will wrap up.
Okay. Yeah. I should wish everyone have a blessed life. Uh, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशनाय धीमहि गुणधीताय गुणधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. Thank you so much.
That's beautiful, Sandeepa. And I can, guess that you're playing some instrument. Is it Veena?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wow.
Yes.
Tanpura. It's Tanpura.
Tanpura.
Oh,
Tanpura.
Yeah.
wonderful and absolutely like a wonderful finish to our show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much once again. We will see you soon. Stay safe. Do well. Okay. Keep meeting
Thank you.
you.
You all stay safe.
Bye.
Thanks a
Yeah.
lot.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank
Arpita,
you.
stay
Thank
back
you, guys.
for the next show. Arpita, stay
Thank you
back for the
so
next
much for
show.
having
Okay.
us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.